everyone, today we have Huawei P10 Lite microphone not working. After checking we noticed that the microphone not was the problem and the charging board was the problem, and then we had to replace it. Let's get started. Heat the back glass at 250 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as you need. Now push the back glass. Easy, there is a flex cable, don't break it. Now it's better to remove the battery first and then remove the fingerprint flex cable. You can remove the fingerprint flex cable in the right side of the back glass where it's black. There is connector, black connector. You can unplug it and then remove the flex cable. Remove all screws from the bottom and remove the ringer. After that we will reach the charging board and then we can remove it easily. Push the ringer out and then unplug the screen flex cable and then antenna connector. Now bring the new one and put it where it belongs. All you need now is just to reverse the operation, and that's it for today. If you have anything in your mind, don't hesitate to mention it below. I will answer your questions as soon as possible. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe for me. We will see you in the next video. Ciao. You wanna thank me? By like and subscribe. Click that ring to get all my videos. Stay tuned for the next problem.